Hey friends, welcome back to Broom and Bloom. Today we are doing a much needed reset of my kitchen, living room, and my boys' bathroom. The house is definitely feeling lived in, so if you need some cleaning motivation, turn this on and let's tackle it together. And if you're a busy mom trying to keep up with the everyday mess, you are in the right place. All right, so I am unloading my dishwasher and then I'm going to be loading it and washing a few dishes by hand. I definitely feel like if the dishes are done, I am way more motivated to complete other tasks around my home. So if you have some dishes that you need to get done, I recommend starting there, and you might just have that snowball effect where you get all of that done and then you just feel so much more motivated to get other tasks done as well. If your house is feeling overwhelming today, I encourage you to get up and move and clean with me. We can do this together. So something I like to do when I'm cleaning is, and I've said that in the last video, is I like to change the scent in the room. And I feel like I can kill two birds with one stone here. So I'm going to add some Fabuloso, I believe it's the peach scent, into the sink. And I'm able to clean and kind of disinfect my sink while also making your home smell really fresh. Kind of just deodorizes the kitchen a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna fill up the sink and let that sit for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna move on and I'm going to start wiping down the surfaces in my kitchen. Next, I'm going to be moving into the living room and tackling some of the surfaces in here, mainly just on top of the fireplace, and then tidying up, vacuuming, mopping. This is where we spend a lot of our time, so it can get messy really quickly. Now for my favorite part, which is vacuuming the floors. Honestly, I really do love vacuuming. I just feel like it makes everything just instantly look better. I feel like once the floors are clean, the whole house truly just feels fresh. And of course, I'm gonna go in with the mop to finish it off. I'm also going to be cleaning the windows just right here in this specific area in my living room. My dog loves to look for any animals and people walking by, and oftentimes he will like smush his nose up to the window, and so there are marks all over that window pretty frequently. So that is what I'm doing. And then I'm also going to be wiping down the screen door at our front door because, you know, 3 kids, enough said, right? Also, don't mind the packages on my front porch. That is for my husband to move once he comes home. All right, now we're heading into my boys' bathroom. And if you know, you know. This one needed some attention. So I'm wiping down the counters, cleaning the mirror, scrubbing the sink, and giving the toilet and shower a good refresh. Bathrooms really aren't my favorite to clean, but I always do feel so accomplished when they're done. And I also want to say, if you're watching this right now and your house feels overwhelming, just try to start with one space, one counter, one place in your home, like earlier with the dishes. You don't have to do everything at once. Progress over perfection. If you just start in one place, normally the rest will all fall into place as well. So that is it for today's reset. Everything feels so much better, and I'm so glad that I took the time to get all of this done today. If you clean along with me, tell me what you worked on in the comments, and if this gave you motivation, I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.